Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve Binance withdrawal issues quickly. I just tap on my account and officially logged in, and I will be just move in my wallet icon, which is top right bottom corner. And when I was tap on, and here you will see under my balance is withdraw option. Just tap on it, and when you tap on this withdraw, and sometimes you will see withdrawal function temporarily suspended after changing the password. Withdrawal is probably 24 hours, estimated response time 2 hours 1 minute. So when you change your password, it will be unable to your withdraw option. You have to wait for this time, and after this time period is complete, you will be able to withdraw your amount. And sometimes it may be required of verification of your account, like this. You must be have enabled these or security options. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.